Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture without losing likes on Facebook. So, without further ado, let's get on to our Facebook app. Now we are here on our Facebook homepage. Now let's get onto the menu page and click here to see our profile. Now you are on your profile page. Now first I'm going to show you which profile picture I'm going to change to, and so that I'll be proving to you that I did not lose any likes from that profile picture. So now I'm going to head on to my photos and go to albums and go to profile pictures albums, and then I'm going to select or choose a profile picture that I want. For example, I'm going to use this. As you can see, this picture has 110 likes. So just note that it has 110 likes, and let's see if it would still be 110 likes later on. So now I'm going to go back to my profile and then click my profile picture and then select a new profile picture. But now I'm going to go to my albums and then make sure that you select a profile picture from your profile picture album. So now I'm going to select the picture that I chose earlier. So this is that picture. You can either crop the photo or you can share it to your newsfeed. And then once you're done, just click save and then it will be shared on your newsfeed. So now let me click my profile picture again to see if the likes stayed as 110 likes. So there it is. As you can see, it is still 110 likes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.